Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping ingredients so the pickling works reliably. Once you have a sterilized jar, thinly shred 1 medium purple cabbage and pack it firmly. This expels air and maximizes surface contact. Next, mix a hot brine, equal parts white vinegar and water, 1 tablespoon salt per 2 cups liquid, plus optional sugar or spices. Pour the brine hot over the cabbage until submerged, then press down to remove bubbles. Make sure there's 1-inch headspace before sealing. Once done sealing, you'll manage oxygen and temperature to control flavor. After pouring brine and weighting the cabbage so nothing floats, cool the jar to room temperature. If you want quick pickles, move to the refrigerator now and they'll be good in 24 hours. If fermenting, leave at about 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and open the lid briefly once a day to release gas. Make sure to taste after 2 to 3 days and adjust salt or thyme for desired tang. You finish by cooling and storing to preserve crunch and color. Once flavor is right, move jars to the refrigerator where pickled purple cabbage keeps well for 3 to 4 weeks. It often tastes brightest after 1 to 3 days. When serving, make sure cabbage stays submerged to prevent air exposure and softening. Troubleshooting. If you detect a rotten smell, sliminess, or unexpected colors, discard the jar. This indicates bad fermentation or contamination. Otherwise, add a bit more salt or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.